I gotta test
taken
this.
away on Saturday,
Might
so
work.
Yeah.
last Saturday,
Tatiana, turn my lamp on.
why you're recording?
Alright.
It doesn't matter. There's a screw in the floor.
That's right. Alright, spring break, you were supposed to. Remember, I told you the day before we left, you had to do this pre-assessment for the next unit. We're going to talk about manifest destiny. I checked on middle of spring break, not everybody had done it. So if you haven't done it, if you forgot to do it, please make sure you get it done. I wrote the website on the board if you forgot it or don't remember it. We're going to run through it today. I'm going to show you what we're talking about. The whole concept, guys, remember, was to show you what we're going to talk about this week. Some of the questions you might have known, some of you might not have known. I tried something different, put it in the webpage, tried this little survey type thing. I like it because it gives me instant results. Tomorrow we'll take a look at it once everybody has done it. But it'll tell me what answers you guys selected and how many people thought this answer, how many people thought that answer. But just running through it real quick to go over it one more time here. You go to the website, this is the main part of the website, and then you just click on Manifest Destiny Pre-Assessment. And then I want to run through the assessment that you should have done. So here's what you would have seen. I embedded this survey right into the website. So first question that you should have selected. It'll let you select as many as you want to, so there was more than just, it didn't let you, so some of you may have picked more than one answer. You shouldn't have, but it did allow you to do that. Which president hired Lewis and Clark to explore the West? We're going to talk about that here this week. Washington, Jackson, Jefferson, or Monroe. That's going to be Jefferson. President Jefferson is the one that hires Lewis and Clark. Most of you knew that one. Lewis and Clark, which acquisition? All of these acquisitions are on your original, or on your project. Florida, original colonies, Louisiana, and Texas. All of them will show up. But they went and looked at the Louisiana Purchase. So that was that answer. Annex means to make smaller. That was a word wall word. You should definitely not have got that one wrong. That is false. Annex means to make larger, to increase in size, to add a territory. The idea of the United States is a God-given right. That's another word wall word. You should not have got that wrong. That is manifest destiny. Which leader was sold? Okay, this one you did not do very well on. Which leader sold Louisiana to the United States? Okay, so let's take a look at this. A lot of people put Jefferson. Okay, so is Jefferson the buyer or the seller? He's the buyer, so you could eliminate him. It says which leader sold. Jefferson is the buyer. You could have eliminated Jefferson right away. So that leaves George, Queen Elizabeth, and Napoleon. If you knew what country we got it from, you would have known that Napoleon is the leader of France at the time, so the answer is Napoleon. I would say that answer was very missed when I looked at the results earlier in the week. A lot of people put Jefferson for some reason. Jefferson is the buyer, not the seller. You can't buy and sell something. He's the one that bought it. Why is Oregon called a pioneer's paradise? We're going to look at that when we get to Oregon. Brandon, focus. Read, Brandon. Brandon, focus. Pioneer's paradise. You had options like very cold climate, rich soil, warm climate, or Oregon's near the ocean. It's going to become a pioneer's paradise because of the rich soil. You're going to be able to grow all kinds of crops there. Rich soil. A lot of people missed that one. We didn't talk about Oregon at all yet. We will. Which river did Lewis and Clark follow? This one you need to understand which rivers flow which directions. Does the Mississippi River flow north and south or east and west? So like north-south be up and down, east-west be this way, across the room. Mississippi go north, south, east, west. Anybody know?
South.
It goes south. Starts at top, runs down, and ends in New Orleans. So that goes down. That doesn't go east-west across the country. But the Missouri River starts and it goes this way. So they're going to follow the Missouri River along their trail when Lewis and Clark go. Mississippi would be flowing downward. They don't go down. They go all the way to California, so they're going west, not south. So that's Missouri River. If you put Amazon, you're very confused. Amazon's the biggest river in the world, I believe, but it's not in this country. So you're a little confused if you put Amazon. What happened after the purchase? Did we double in size? Did we become a world power? Did we increase our trade with France, or was slavery abolished? Overnight, the United States doubled in size. Doubled in size. So it became twice as big overnight. Next one said what led to the rapid movement to settlers in California. Justin already brought it up. San Francisco's football team is the 49ers because in 1849, gold was discovered. So everybody went to California because gold was discovered. And then the last one, you should have put your name. If you look on Parent Portal, guys, there is a little assignment. I think it's worth 5 points or something on this survey, so make sure you get it done here. All you have to do is go to the webpage and embed it right into your, it's embedded right in the webpage. Just do the survey, get your points. Not everybody had done it. Make sure you get it done. Questions on that? All right, take out your unit notes, please. Take out unit notes. Take out the guided notes. Take out the Buffy packet of notes.